Hi, I'm Jim Brickell from Ed Learn Ford Lincoln in St. Catharines, Ontario. Today I'm presenting the 2018 Nissan Murano. Let me show you how it works. The vehicle is equipped with a power driver's seat. Move the base of the chair, move the recline, and has a power lumbar support. Makes for a very comfortable chair. And on the driver door, you have memory sets for the first and second driver. We'll continue. The vehicle comes with a push button start. So with the fob in your pocket or purse, whatever, put your foot on the brake and hit right here. Now, we're going to show you how to get the screens all set up the way you want to be using them. It's best idea is to do this when you first get the vehicle, get it set up the way you want. Take 20 minutes, half an hour to learn your vehicle, and that way it'll be safer on the road as you're not looking for things later on while you're actually in motion. So here we go. This is our home screen. So you've got the little house there, and it also says menu. Across the bottom we also have the word menu. But first we want to go into our settings. So in settings, we can edit our home menu, volume and beeps, sound, display, navigation, and whatnot. If we go to navigation, you're going to see an address book. Stored locations. If there are some, that means the last person did not delete them, and you should start by deleting these things. We also have stored routes, avoid, delete stored items. So that's the one you want to hit. Delete previous destinations. Delete all previous destinations. Delete all previous destinations. Whoops, I hit the wrong one there. That was a confirm. So you're deleting the destinations, and we're now going to delete the previous start point. So all of the destinations have now been deleted. So that was a good thing. And then you can start loading in your own items. Once do that, we go edit home menu. Here you can press the plus or the X to edit this screen. So delete this item, and let's see, previous destinations, we took those out. Call history, wonder what's on there. So now we're gonna go back. We're going to look at phone. Connecting to the phone, please wait. But I don't have a phone, so I'm going to see if it select Bluetooth device. There is one in there. Now we're going to delete that one. So delete that, yes. So we've deleted the phones, we've deleted the addresses. You'll be able to start fresh with your new vehicle. Now on settings, when you hit Bluetooth, you can add a device to the vehicle. Under navigation, your address book, you can add in things. If there's areas, avoid areas, you can put them in here. So things that you want to be avoiding. And your map view. So you can choose whether it's going to be map 2D or a split map, a 3D bird's eye view, a split one. How the intersections show up, how your turn lists come up. The colors on the map can be adjusted. If you prefer north up, you can do so. If you would rather not have that, then you can turn it off. Select text to display on the map, show all freeway exits on the route. So it's all about personalizing how you want to be using things. You can go back to your map. And then we've got some information. Nissan Connect, XM traffic, XM stocks, movie listings, weather. So the Sirius XM, that is a subscription service. You can choose to get it or not get it. The choice is completely up to you. So we can go to our map. You can change the brightness of it. And as we come down here, you've got a temperature for the driver, a temperature for the passenger. You've got your fan speed. You've got the front defrost, the rear defrost, air conditioning, recirculating the air and fresh air coming in. And right now it's saying passenger airbag is off. Between the two seats on this vehicle, we have these switches, which are the heating and cooling for the seats. If it's in the middle position, that's off. If you dial it to the left, it's your cooling seat. If you dial it to the right, it's your heating seat. So there's 3 settings on each. So low, medium, and high, low, medium, high. And when the light is off, those features are off. So that's your heated and cooling seat on the switches just down from the shifter. Now, as we continue in this vehicle, there's a variety of controls on the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, we've got one that looks like a little talking head.
You can interrupt voice prompts and speak a command immediately by pushing the talk switch. You can also use the up-down switch on the steering wheel to select an item from the displayed list. Please say or select a command.
Cancel.
Exit voice recognition. Please say yes or no.
Yes.
Exiting voice recognition.
So there are a variety of things you can do with your voice. Now, as we hit these buttons, you'll see the display change. There's a compass showing your drive computer for your average and your driving, so the liters per 100 kilometers, your average speed, and since it's been reset. There's your fuel economy, so an average of 12.9 liters per 100 kilometers, and then it says push OK to reset. So if I push the OK, it's now reset, and we'll start calculating fuel economy as you go along. Next one, you've got some drive aids in there. We hit OK, blind spot can be turned off. I think it's a good one to have on. And then you can check your tire pressure. Warning, rear view, no item to review. Settings, we hit OK. Driver assistance, we hit OK. And so your driver assistance features, blind spot is on, emergency brake system is on, driver attention alert, timer alert, low temperature alert. So all of these things you can check from your settings. After driver assistance, we can go down to customize the display. Main menu selection, car icon color, eco. So all of these things you can set up for the way you want the car to use. In the welcome effect, you want animation, you want the gauges. So you can totally customize this car. Navigation, the alerts, I think I'll put them on. The view mode, we've got arrow and we've got city. I'd like the arrows to show where I'm going. And we go back a screen. The Eco Info settings, we're going to hit OK again. Eco Driver Port is on. And view history, so you can see how it's been going in terms of fuel economy. Best was when we got 7.1 liters per 100 kilometers, so pretty darn good. It can be worse depending on your driving habits, but it's nice to know that you can check these things out. And then we can exit the settings. Down a little bit lower, your source is for your music, and there's AM, FM, etc. Sirius satellite radio, volume up and down. Then on the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control. You can turn it on or off. It's adaptive cruise, so you can set the distance to stay behind the vehicle in front of you. You can go up 1 mile per hour, down 1 mile per hour. You can cancel out. So it's a pretty nice vehicle, a lot of great features in it. I hope you'll be enjoying it. And we also have over here, the lights can be set for automatic. Your wipers are on the stock control going on the right hand side of the steering wheel. This vehicle does have the power moonroof, so your switches are up above in the center. And I hope this helps you in your enjoyment of your new Nissan Murano. I'm Jim Brickell from Ed Learn Ford.